What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video for you guys today. And if you guys saw my last video where I showed you guys a cheap DIY budget paint job for your wheels, look at that. That's so nice. Now to add on to that, we're gonna do DIY budget tire lettering for less than $6. Now these markers will run you about like $5.43 to be exact, I think, at Home Depot for 2 of them, and this should be enough for all 4 tires. Now what we're gonna do is just trace the brand of the tires. Now luckily I have the same tire brand all the way around, and my tires are new, so you know there shouldn't be any issue with like mismatched tires or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna take off the wheels. We're gonna do one at a time. We're gonna take off the wheels, degrease them, wash the rims, dry them, and then start marking down the tire lettering. Now this is just something quick you can do to like spice things up on your car, if you want to say. Yeah, it's cheap, affordable, and you know, makes your car look pretty cool. All right, so we have the first wheel off. We're gonna go ahead and spray with that degreaser, rinse it down, and wait for it to dry, and then we can start putting down the tire lettering. Now this is the rim that if you guys saw my last video where I painted the rims, this was the rim that was chipping, and you can really tell that it started to chip a little bit more, and that's on me because I didn't do a good job of sanding and prepping on this rim, because I think this was the last one I was in. I just wanted to get it done. But if you guys can see right there, a little chip there, up here, right here as well. This one's like hardcore flaking there, and right here we actually lost a little chunk there. Oh, and right here too. Wow, this one came out terrible, but from far away you honestly can't even tell. And for less than $30, I mean, it's not that bad, you know. It's better than what it was before, and that's all I care about. If anything, I could just strip the paint and just repaint it, but I mean, it's not a big deal to me. But yeah guys, so we got this degreased. Now we're gonna rinse it down, dry it, and get started on that tire lettering. All right, so now we have our tire nice and dry. The rim's still a little bit wet, but that's fine because we're not gonna touch any of that. But now what I'm trying to decide is what I wanna mark down with the marker. I'm not sure if I'm gonna mark this DH2. I know for sure I'm gonna mark down the brand, the Delante. This little, I guess that's a logo. That, yeah, I think, okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do the brand and then this DH2. Now, what's pretty cool about these tires is that the words are kind of raised up a little bit, so that makes it easier for me to, you know, not get any overspray, if you want to call it, on the tire. But even if you do, you could just wipe it down. But yeah, let's get started, guys. All right, guys. So real quick, how this marker works: all you gotta do is push that little tip, push it in, shake it a little bit, and the ink will start to come down like that. All right, so let's get started with the DH2 right here.
Let's spin a disc.
All right, and this does dry fairly quickly, so just move on to the next letter. It's okay if you still have like some little spots. We could just give it another coat once we finish doing the other ones. But overall, it's looking pretty cool. All right, so I think that will do. 2 coats is fine. All right, so now let's get started with the other part, the delante. All right, so when you guys are doing the tire layering, be careful where you lean your arm, because I accidentally rubbed up on this and it messed it up a little bit, but you know, I just put a little small layer on the spots where it's smudged. No biggie. We're gonna keep going. This is DIY, so this is what helps me not stress out about my mistakes. I always have that mindset that, you know what, this is a DIY car build. You know, I'm doing everything from my house with cheap materials. You know, this is not legit tire lettering. This is stuff you can do at home. So lower your expectations and you won't be disappointed. But yeah, guys, let's keep going. All right, so I know I did say this is a DIY tire lettering stuff or whatever, but don't be afraid to take a break, because I know my hand has started to cramp up from trying to keep it straight and stay within the lines. Now, a little thing that helps is, check this out. If you dab the pen on the letter, just keep dabbing it, and there, just keep dabbing it, and then if you dab it like just right, a little chunk of ink will come out like that. You see that? There's like a little smudge, and it makes it easier to just fill up the letter. And then you actually only have to do like 1 coat. You see? It's a lot faster. And we just gotta fill in all these little imperfections on the sides. And that's it, guys. That helps out a lot. Just do be careful. Try not to, like, you know, spill the ink all over. But yeah, just a little quick tip. Check that out, guys. This is what we have so far. Don't look too bad. I think it looks pretty cool. So now we just got this last one here, and this wheel is good to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, though. Do you guys like it? Would you guys do this to your car? I think it looks cool. All right, and we are officially done with this rim. Check that out, or this wheel. Does that not look cool or what? For less than $6, I mean, I think this is worth it. It was $5.43, I think, to be exact. That looks so cool. All right, so we're gonna let this dry for about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. We'll let it dry for 6 minutes and get the other tire and start doing that. Yeah, look at this. Now, it is not perfect. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but I mean, from close up, you can really tell like the difference. You can kind of see it there. You can see like the texture of the paint and stuff, but overall, I mean, for less than $6, like this is pretty dope. But yeah. All right, so we got the second tire now. Same process. We're gonna degrease it, rinse it down, dry it, and then start putting down the tire lettering on it. All right, let's rinse it. All right, you guys know what time it is. Second tire. Now, I don't think I'm gonna record me doing the rest of the tires because you guys already saw it's gonna be the same process over and over and over again, and then I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll be right back with you guys once I get all 4 tires done and I have them back on the car. All right, guys, and just like that, we are done with the last wheel. Now, I did lose a lot of light because I took a break and I went to go eat, and yeah, I took a very long break, but we're done now. So I'm just gonna let this dry for 3 minutes. I'm gonna put the wheels back on and I'll show you guys the final results, and I'll give you a walk around of the whole car. These look so amazing, guys. I feel like they really complete the look of the painted rims with the tire lettering. Just really makes the wheels pop, and it makes the car look so good too. But yeah, guys, we're gonna let this dry real quick and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so I did wait to the next day to show you guys the results because of the lighting. That way you guys can see it a lot better. And look at that. All 4 tires have the tire lettering. This looks so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I mean, for less than $6, for $5.43, that is not bad. That is so cool. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Just want to give you guys another look around. Let me give you a close-up. Look at that. But yeah, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.